I am Emma.
Hello, Emma. I am very happy to see you today.
I am happy to see you too, Jack. You look very relaxed today.
Thank you, Emma. I feel relaxed because I had a very good weekend.
Oh, really? That is great. I want to hear all about your weekend.
Yes, today we're going to talk about weekends. It is a perfect topic because everyone has a weekend.
That is true, Jack. It is also a good way to practice simple English.
So, Emma, how was your weekend? Was it busy or quiet?
It was a little bit busy, but also a little quiet. Saturday was busy, but Sunday was quiet.
That sounds like a perfect balance. What did you do on Saturday, Emma?
On Saturday morning, I went to the shopping mall. I needed new shoes for work.
Oh, shopping. Did you find any nice shoes?
Yes, Jack. I found very comfortable black shoes. I love them.
Good job, Emma. Shopping can be very tiring sometimes.
Oh, yes, Jack. The mall was very crowded. There were many people.
I can imagine. Saturday mornings are always busy at the mall.
That is true. After shopping, I went to a small cafe for lunch. I had a delicious sandwich.
Yum! What kind of sandwich did you have, Emma?
It was a tomato and cheese sandwich. It was simple, but very tasty.
That sounds really nice. I love a good sandwich for lunch, too.
And what about you, Jack? What did you do on Saturday morning?
Well, I did not go to the mall. I went to the park instead.
The park? That is nice. Was the weather good?
Yes, Emma. The weather was beautiful. The sun was shining and it was not too cold.
That is great. Did you go for a walk in the park?
Actually, I went for a run. I'm trying to exercise more.
Wow, a run? Good for you, Jack. How far did you run?
I ran for 30 minutes. I was very tired after the run.
30 minutes is excellent. I can only run for 5 minutes.
You can do it, Emma. You just need to practice.
Maybe I will try. So, Jack, what did you do after your run?
I went home and took a long shower. Then I had a big breakfast.
Ah, a big breakfast is the best reward after exercise.
Yes, exactly. I had eggs, toast, and a lot of coffee.
Coffee. You know I love coffee.
I know, Emma. I thought of you when I was drinking it.
That is so sweet of you, Jack. Did you do anything else on Saturday?
Yes, in the afternoon, I played some video games.
Oh, which game did you play, Jack? In the afternoon, Jack, I played a racing game on my computer.
Oh, Emma, that sounds fun. Is the game very fast?
Yes, Jack, it is very fast and very exciting.
Wow. Are you a good driver in the game, Emma?
Sometimes I am good, but sometimes I make mistakes.
Oh, Emma, did something funny happen on Saturday?
Yes, Jack, I had a small mistake that made me laugh.
Oh, really? What happened, Emma?
I was winning the race, Jack, and I was very excited.
That sounds great. Were you near the finish line?
Yes, Jack, I was almost at the finish line when something happened.
And then, Emma, what happened next?
My cat, Jasper, jumped on my lap, Jack, and I could not see the screen.
Oh, no. Jasper wanted to play too, Emma?
Yes, Jack, he hit the controller with his paw and my car crashed.
Oh, no. You lost the race, Emma?
Yes, Jack, I lost the race, but it was very funny.
That is so funny, Emma. Poor Emma. Jasper is really the boss of the house.
He really is, Jack. I was surprised, but I could not be angry with him.
He is too cute, Emma. Cats always know when you are busy.
Exactly, Jack. That was my Saturday afternoon.
And what did you do on Saturday evening, Emma?
In the evening, Jack, I stayed at home because I was a bit tired from shopping.
Did you watch a movie or a TV series, Emma?
Yes, Jack. I started a new series on TV. It is a mystery story.
Ooh, Emma, I love mysteries. Is the series good?
Yes, Jack. It is very interesting. And I watched 3 episodes in one evening.
3 episodes? Wow, Emma, you really liked it.
Yes, Jack. It was hard to stop watching. I kept thinking, just one more episode.
Yes, Emma, I know that feeling. Then it becomes midnight quickly.
Yes, Jack. It happens to me too sometimes.
Well, Emma, we're in the middle of our conversation, and it is very fun.
Yes, Jack. It really is fun.
If our viewers are enjoying this conversation, Emma, they should like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it.
Yes, Jack. It helps us a lot, and we love making these videos for everyone.
Now, Emma, let's talk about Sunday. How was your Sunday?
My Sunday was very traditional, Jack, because Sunday is usually a family day for many people. Was your Sunday like that too, Jack?
Yes, Emma, it was very similar for me.
What did you do in the morning, Jack?
In the morning, Emma, I went to church with my parents.
That is nice, Jack. Is your church near your house?
Yes, Emma, it is very close, so we walk there every Sunday.
That is good, Jack. It is nice to have a routine like that.
Yes, Emma, routines are helpful.
What did you do after church, Jack?
After church, Emma, we all went to my grandmother's house for lunch.
Oh, Jack, I love grandmother's food. They are always the best cooks.
Yes, Emma, they really are. We had a big family lunch with all my cousins.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of people, Jack. Was it very loud?
Yes, Emma, it was very loud. Everyone was talking and laughing at the same time.
That sounds wonderful, Jack. What did you eat?
We had roast chicken, Emma, with potatoes and vegetables.
Jack, that is my favorite too. Did your grandmother make dessert as well?
Yes, Emma, she made a big chocolate cake, and it was amazing.
Wow, Jack, I am very jealous. I love chocolate cake.
I wish I could share some with you, Emma.
Me too, Jack. Did you stay at your grandmother's house all afternoon?
Yes, Emma, we stayed there, but after lunch, we went to a park near her house.
A park, Jack? That is like me on Saturday.
Yes, Emma, but we didn't run this time. We just walked slowly.
That is much better after a big lunch, Jack.
Yes, Emma, it was very relaxing. We saw children playing and dogs running around.
That sounds wonderful, Jack. It is nice to be outside on a Sunday.
Yes, Emma, it makes me feel very calm and happy.
I agree, Jack. Sunday is the day to recharge your energy for the new week.
Exactly, Emma. So what did you do on Sunday, Emma?
My Sunday was very quiet, Jack. I stayed at home most of the day.
Sometimes staying at home is the best thing to do, Emma.
Yes, Jack. I spent the morning reading a book.
Oh, Emma, what kind of book did you read?
It is a history book, Jack. It is very interesting, but a little slow.
Emma, I like history too, but I usually prefer stories about people.
This book, Jack, has many stories about people from the past, and I like it.
That is good, Emma. Did you have a big lunch as well?
No, Jack, not like yours. I just made some pasta at home.
Pasta is always a good idea, Emma. It is easy to make and fast.
Yes, Jack. In the afternoon, I did some planning for the week ahead.
Planning, Emma. You are very organized.
I try to be, Jack. I look at my calendar and write down my tasks for Monday to Friday.
That is a very good habit, Emma. It helps you stay focused.
Yes, Jack, it really does. It makes me feel less stressed on Monday morning.
I should try that too, Emma. Usually on Monday, I just wake up and think, oh no, what do I have to do?
Yes, Jack. Maybe you can try it this Sunday.
Yes, Emma, I would try it. It sounds very helpful.
It is very helpful, Jack. After I finished my planning, I just rested on the sofa.
Did you sleep, Emma?
I had a small nap, Jack. Just 20 minutes.
A power nap. That is great, Emma.
Yes, Jack. I felt very fresh after that nap. Then I watched a football match on TV in the evening.
Oh, did your team win, Emma?
Yes, Jack. They won 2-0, and I was very happy.
Wow, good job to your team, Emma. That is a great way to end a weekend.
Yes, Jack. A win makes the whole weekend feel better.
I know exactly what you mean, Emma.
Oh, Jack, I just remembered something funny from my lunch on Sunday.
Tell me, Emma. I love funny stories.
Well, Jack, my cousin Leo brought his new girlfriend to lunch.
Oh, that is exciting, Emma. Was she nice?
Yes, Jack, she was very nice. But something funny happened with the cake.
The chocolate cake, Emma? Oh, no.
Yes, Jack, my grandmother gave her a big piece of chocolate cake.
And then, Emma, what happened next?
She was talking and laughing, Jack, and then she sneezed.
Oh, no. Did that happen while she was eating?
Yes, Jack, a little piece of cake flew across the table.
Oh, no. Where did the cake go, Emma?
It landed right on my uncle's head, Jack.
On his head? That is amazing, Emma.
Yes, Jack. Everyone stopped talking for 1 second. It was very quiet. And then? Was your uncle angry, Jack?
No, Jack. He just touched his head, looked at his hand, and said, free cake. And he ate it. That is so funny, Emma. Your uncle has a great sense of humor.
He really does, Jack. We all laughed very hard. The poor girl was very red in the face.
Ah, Emma, she was embarrassed, but it was good that everyone laughed.
Yes, Jack. It was a very funny moment, and it made the lunch very special.
Free cake. That is my new favorite phrase, Emma.
Yes, Jack. It was a great moment.
Well, Emma, it sounds like we both had very nice weekends.
We really did, Jack. It is important to enjoy our free time.
Definitely, Emma. If anyone is still listening, they can comment weekend below.
Yes, Jack. We love to see your messages and know who is here with us.
So, Emma, are you ready for the new week?
I think so, Jack. I have my new shoes, I had a great lunch, and I feel ready to work.
That is the spirit, Emma. I have my plan ready, so I am ready too.
Good, Jack. But let's remember what we talked about today.
Oh, yes, Emma. Let's see. We talked about my run in the park on Saturday.
Yes, Jack. And my shopping trip to buy black shoes.
And the sandwich you had for lunch, Emma.
Yes, Jack. And your cat Jasper made you crash your video game.
Poor Jasper, Emma. He just wanted to help me.
That is true, Jack. He did not mean to cause trouble.
Yes, Emma. It was just a funny moment.
And we talked about my big family lunch at my grandmother's house, Jack.
Oh, yes, Emma. That was with the flying cake.
Well, Jack, it sounds like we both had very nice weekends.
We did, Emma. It is important to enjoy our free time.
Definitely, Jack. If you are still listening, comment weekend below.
Yes, Emma. We want to see who was here with us.
Yes, write weekend in the comments. We love to see your messages, Jack.
So, Emma, are you ready for the new week?
I think so, Jack. I have my new shoes, I had a great lunch, and I am ready to work.
That's the spirit, Emma. And I have my plan, so I'm ready too.
Good, Jack. But wait, let's remember what we talked about today.
Oh, yes, Emma. Let's see. We talked about my run in the park on Saturday.
Yes, Jack, and my shopping trip to buy black shoes.
And the sandwich you had for lunch, Emma.
Yes, Jack, and your cat, Jasper, who made you crash your video game on Saturday.
Poor Jasper, Emma. He just wanted to help.
Sure, Jack. Cats are always curious.
And we talked about my big family lunch at my grandmother's house, Emma.
With the flying cake, Jack?
Yes, Emma. The cake that landed on my uncle's head. That was the best part.
That is so funny, Jack. I still laugh when I think about it.
And we talked about my quiet Sunday, Emma, with a book and a nap.
And the football match, Jack. Your team won 2-0.
Yes, Emma. It was a very good weekend indeed.
It really was, Jack. We did many different things.
That is the beauty of the weekend, Emma. You can do what makes you happy.